Well, I thought I'd do a little bit of work with the backhoe today. I thought I'd go ahead and spread out some dirt piles right over here. And I thought I'd go ahead and get all this ground leveled off. I tore a building frame down here probably a month or two ago. It's been rained about ever since, so I haven't been able to get it finished. However, it has dried up, so I thought I'd come out here, get it all leveled off, but I didn't realize my dirt piles are just solid mud through and through, so I can't do anything with them. So I did the next best thing. I went ahead, spread them out halfway decent, and I guess I will wait for it to dry. Our temperatures have been in the high 90s with wind, so I reckon it should dry out pretty quick. So stay tuned for more videos.